In this video, I'll show you how to close your American Express credit card account. There are 4 ways to do this, so let me walk you through all of them. The first way is through live chat. Open the American Express app or go to the website and log into your account. Select Chat with Us and a representative will help you close your account immediately after verifying your identity. The second way is by calling the helpline. Call the number on the back of your card or dial the toll-free number 1-800-419-2122. Tell the representative that you want to close your account and they will guide you through the process. The third way is through the online request form. If you are a personal card holder, you can submit a digital closure request through the official online request form on the American Express website. This is a quick and easy option if you do not want to call or chat. The fourth way is through the IVR system. Call 1-800-419-2122, and when prompted, say, "I need help with something else." Then say, "Cancel card," and the system will guide you through the cancellation process automatically. If you have a corporate card, you may need to contact your program administrator directly to close your account, as the process is slightly different. That is how you do it.